Are you over 60 and tired of aching joints, swelling legs, and stiffness that slows you down? It's time to fight back naturally, starting with your plate. Today we're revealing 15 collagen-packed foods that can help reduce inflammation, strengthen your joints, and support mobility and comfort as you age. Ready to say goodbye to swelling and hello to strength? Let's get started. What is collagen and why seniors need more? As we age, our natural collagen production declines, leading to joint pain, sagging skin, weaker bones, and even swelling in the legs and feet. But the good news: you can boost collagen levels naturally with foods that are rich in amino acids, vitamins, and minerals that your body uses to rebuild connective tissue. 15 collagen-boosting foods for stronger joints. Point 1. Bone broth, rich in collagen, gelatin, and minerals. Try sipping it daily for joint and gut health. 2. Salmon with skin, packed with omega-3 south and collagen, great for reducing inflammation. Aim for 2 to 3 servings per week. 3. Eggs, especially the whites. Egg whites contain glycine and proline, essential for collagen production. 4. Chicken, especially skin and thighs. One of the best animal sources of collagen, especially if you're using the bones in soups or stews. 5. Citrus fruits. Vitamin C is critical for collagen synthesis. Oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are perfect daily additions. 6. Berries, strawberries, blueberries, packed with antioxidants and vitamin C, which protect existing collagen. 7. Avocados, loaded with healthy fats and vitamin E, they support skin and joint elasticity. 8. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are full of chlorophyll, which may increase precursors to collagen in your body. 9. Garlic contains sulfur and compounds that help rebuild damaged collagen. 10. Tomatoes, high in lycopene and vitamin C, protect skin and joints from inflammation. 11. Pumpkin seeds, rich in zinc, which is essential for collagen formation and wound healing. 12. Beans, they offer protein plus copper, a combo that helps your body build collagen naturally. 13. Cashews, contain both zinc and copper, nutrients key to collagen support. 14. Bell peppers, especially red, high in vitamin C and anti-inflammatory compounds. 15. Gelatin unsweetened, a natural collagen source, added to smoothies or used in healthy desserts. Bonus tip: hydration plus movement. Don't forget, collagen needs hydration and movement to do its job. Drink plenty of water and aim for gentle daily movement like walking, stretching, or swimming. Every step counts when you're rebuilding from the inside out.